I'm already pretty much done with the process. We're pretty much more than halfway, but I figure I haven't seen a video on YouTube yet on how to remove a 2020 headliner, so I figure why not just record where I'm at already. Right. Those two covers you remove, you'll see a star that you remove. Same with that cover there. Same with that one. These are two that you remove, top and bottom of the back of that handle. Same here. This isn't a top, it's just a logo. Same with that one. There goes the handle there. Two bolts under the sunglasses, whatever you call that. And you pull it out from that side that way, so it just drops down. It might pop like it's breaking, but it's just a little flimsy ass clips, right? This was the fun part. So all of these on the top have wiring, and it doesn't just run to the front, it literally runs all the way to the back. It loops around, right? So I chase this wire, and it goes down right here. Oh, the other way, but you get the point. It goes in there. I didn't have to take this off, but I was trying to find where I was going. You move this cover, you'll see it right here. I popped this zip tie. I left that in there because I'm gonna run another zip tie and use that as the bracket for it. But this is the part that you really don't want to cut. So just be patient with it and you'll get it out. But I'm installing the Starlight headliner on here, and I'll let y'all know how that goes. Also, I forgot to mention, there's another clip back here. Simple. You just disconnect it from there, just holding on. It's the same type of clip that was up front. Just connect it to the back. After you do that, you should be able to drop the headliner just like this by pulling it down pretty easily. This is actually one of the easiest I've seen, to be honest with you, besides that wiring. But yeah. See, I got them labeled 1 to 10. I got those marked 1 to 10. Because it starts from there and it ends over here. Starts over here, ends over there. So 1 would be the first shooting star, and so on and so forth. 10 would be the last. So you don't want to lose that sequence. And here's the final install. Those are the shooting stars. And the box is mounted up there for the actual Starlight. You can see the light out of the side right here. Mounted it behind the seat and couldn't get a video of it. Well, I thought of it too late, but pretty tricky to mount it back there. Ran the wires basic, you know, under the panels. Through the firewall. And I added a switch to mine because the ones that come off Amazon, I believe they're designed for a house, so they come with a wall socket, which I don't understand, but it should be universal. That's the final product. Not too bad. And this switch turns it off instantly, turns it on instantly. So that's the that's the install on a somewhat of an install on the 2020 Ram.